Today's video is an update from my keratin hair. The second time I put the keratin treatment in my hair was in August. It is now December. Hopefully you'll see this video soon. And the keratin treatment lasts very, very long. It is a really good treatment. I love it. One of the reasons I love it so much, and there are more than one reason, but the main reason I love it is when I do shampoo my hair, I can wear my hair like it's a natural hairstyle. I can do a wash and go, I can do a blow dry, and I can iron it out. But my curls always remains. So that's my number one reason. My number two reason, it lasts very, very long if you shampoo less frequently. I shampoo my hair every week and I use a clarifying shampoo first because I exercise every single day and I sweat in my scalp. So because of that, I have to shampoo once a week. Keratin treatment, don't like once a week treatment. Every 2 weeks, your keratin will last longer. Every week, it will last shorter. And with clarifying shampoo on top of that, you're not supposed to clarify your hair unless it is time to do a new treatment. So for that, I am just giving you an update because I'm about to change what I use for my hair. The next hair video, you will see what I'm using. But let me show you the amount of growth I have. I'm looking this way because my mirror is this way. Now I'll take my hair on so you can see the amount of growth I have. This is my hair, but from the keratin treatment, let me just pat a piece so you can see the amount of growth I have. My hair been in 2-strand twists for a week. I took it out yesterday and I wanted to show you. I need to put my glasses on so I can show you the growth. If you look from here all the way here, since August, and this is December, so in 4 months, I have all this growth. From here to there is keratin treated hair. This is the keratin treated hair. From here to there, this marker right here, this is new growth. From this point on to here is keratin treated hair. So this is how much new growth I have gained in 4 months. I hope you were able to see that. New growth, keratin treated. So this is my update and this is my hair growth from the keratin treatment. I hope that was helpful to you. And like I said, if you shampoo often, the keratin will wash out faster. But if you don't shampoo often, keratin treatment is really good. Thanks again for watching. Always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. Take care of yourself. And I'll see you in the next video. Until then, hype this video. Bye.